Just take 5 candlesticks on this strategy and you're good to go. So if you want to take as much as 10, you're still on track. If you want to take as much as 10, you're still on track. So just use this strategy and make some money. So what's up guys? In this channel we're here to make money on the boom and crash. So if you have been watching previous videos about trading, you might have noticed that most people are just here to just upload videos and just make money off the YouTube AdSense revenue. And most of the strategies might not be accurate, but some are definitely accurate. So now if you have noticed, one thing about my videos is that I kind of give you an update each time I update my strategy as well. I just come here to this channel and drop a video about it. So it takes time to make these videos and these strategies, analyze them and use them. So it hurts when you guys find it hard to subscribe on this channel. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. So I'm gonna be giving you some indicators you need. So this strategy is a moving average strategy, complete moving average strategy. So if you have been using the moving average, you will know that the moving average is a very good indicator. Most of the time I would prefer using just the moving average for my indicators, and it gives me very high accuracy for my strategies. Now most people will say I start my videos by talking a lot. Yeah, I have to talk because some people are new to trading while some people are pros. So I have to talk to people as well. You understand what I'm trying to say? Most people do not understand what these things are, so we have to let them know what they are. Most people, you just use a strategy and rush into it. You need to be able to take your time and follow the steps as directed in this video. So I'm going to be giving you the indicators and how I go in for my entries. So you want to follow everything step by step and watch this video to the end. Give this video a like, subscribe and leave a comment. So this is on the boom 1000. The indicators I'm gonna be using here are just about 5 indicators. One on my main chart, for on my indicator window 1. So before I proceed, those of you interested in my account management, VIP signals, mentorship program, or my investment program, DM me as soon as possible. Now, in our investment program, it has to do with sending a deposit for your account to support my trading, and then you get weekly payouts. So I trade every single day, even in the weekends, because if you're using the deriv platform, you would know that you can trade even as weekends. So just DM me, send the payment, and then I'll trade on my account and send you payouts on a weekly basis. So just DM me, I will explain how everything works, how much you're gonna be making on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, as well as every other program I give out here. So now before you continue, just know that trading is a risky job, is a risky profession. You wanna trade with as much as you are being able to lose. So whenever you're, even during the account management, the VIP signals, mentorship program, or the investment, trade as you can afford to lose, guys. Trade as you can afford to lose, because as much as anybody is going to tell you online or anywhere, trading is never 100% guarantee, because I've seen big companies crash within a week or more due to losses from trading. So this happens a lot. I lose as well while trading. You lose as well. But as professionals, at least we have an edge over most people that are just coming into the market. So if you want to avoid losing that much, you can come in. But it's not 100% guarantee on any of our programs, as much as it's not a guarantee when funding your account, because trading can be a risky profession just like gambling. There is no guarantee, guys. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys and tell you guys everything before you DM me, and that's how it works. So people actually making money with it, people are making money in my account management, VIP signals, mentorship program, my investment program. But you need to be able to trade as much as you can afford to lose, guys. Do not trade with borrowed money. So let me give you the indicators real quick. The first moving average, guys, this is gonna be um a really long one, or should I say short one, but you need to be able to add these indicators very, very vividly and clearly, because a little mistake can throw you off the balance. So for our parameters, we have our period 5 for our first moving average. So this moving average is on our main chart. So this is what we want on our main chart. Period 5, shift 0. Method is simple. Apply to typical price. So using 4 pixels of black. So we're done there. Now over to our indicator window 1. To add indicator window 1, you click on this main chart F plus here. You add your relative strength index, also known as our RSI. So our RSI, the parameters are period 10, apply to close. Style is 2 pixels of our background color. We do not need this indicator here. So it's at our background color. Now we're using level 10 and 90 because we need as accurate as possible. We need our signal to be as accurate as possible. So once we get our signal to go in for our trade, we need to be sure, at least a 99% assurance, that yeah, nothing can go wrong. But if something does go wrong, there's a very, very, very 1% low chance that anything can go wrong. But it happens. So our first moving average for our indicator window 1 is our period 3, shift 0. Method is simple, typical price as well. So just add these colors, make the colors the same, so that once I'm explaining, you're following up as well. Then the second moving average, period 10, shift 0, exponential, close, 4 pixels of color green, light green. Our last moving average and our last indicator, period 1, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, 4 pixels of red. Really simple and easy ones there. So now we're on our chart here. So here is how we're going for our indicators and our settings. Now I got this entry here while when I started this video. This was an entry here. So for most of you who say show us an entry, show us an entry, I'm not gonna place a live trade now because I don't trade on my phone. I actually trade on my computer. So I execute trades there. So let me show you how you can do this. For those of you who need a video on how you can set up your MT5 on your computer, just leave a comment in the comment section to motivate me to make a video on that as well. So now how to set this up. Once we get an indication these 3 lines are touching the 90 level, then we'll see a spike, because there's definitely going to be a spike for this to go up there. There's definitely going to be a spike. You want to drag to the edge and make sure that the spike on this side is coming from downwards, upwards. So it has to hit from the 10 and run up straight to the 90. If it starts from the center there, it's not a strong spike and it might spike you while taking your entries. So you can just take 5 to 10 candlesticks and we exit the trade. So you want to drag to the edge like this. You see there, you drag again to the other side to make sure that yes, it's touching the 90 level even when you drag it. That's a right and correct entry. Now you wait for this black line to touch the red tick. Then you go in, take 5 to 10 candlesticks, 10 maximum, and you exit. So you can do this as many times as possible. As you can see here, there was an entry here not too long ago. We can take 10 candlesticks here. Okay, this looks like an entry too. 10 candlesticks. This keeps happening a lot. 10 candlesticks. Okay, nice one here. 10 candlesticks, we exit. Really simple something here. 10 candlesticks, you exit. So this happens a lot. So the chances of you meeting this at least 20 times a day are really high. So for our cash 1000 as well, it has to, from the top here, hit the bottom, and you have to wait for this black line to cross the green line. On the boom, the black line will cross the red tick. On the crash, the black line will cross the green tick. So really simple one here. Okay, this was an example, a previous example. Once it crosses, you go in, you take your 10 candlesticks, we exit. Really simple indicators there. So use this strategy and give me feedback about it. If you're interested in account management, VIP signals, mentorship program, investment, DM me as soon as possible and start cashing out within less than a week. So see you guys again tomorrow with another video. Love you guys.